Here's a quick little video on how to replace your Rhino-Rack Sunseeker 2.5 meter cover. Awning cover. Mine has been on there for a while and it's fell apart. I just ordered their cover, which this is the part number, and you can only remove the fabric once you removed at least one of the corner caps. What you need to do is take the awning off, take the fabric, the whole awning off the bracketry, that's the bracketry, and then undo this back piece. There's 2 screws in the corners. There's this piece with a riv nut here and here. You undo both of those, drill them out, and take this part out, and then basically this whole thing comes off and it slides out all the way. What you'll need to do exactly the same here is take the cover off and take the cover with the riv knots that hold it, and you slide it with the rope and basically repeat the process backwards. You'll put these with riv knots, these with screws. Make sure to slide the awning fabric back into place before reattaching the corners. Slip this, oh sorry, that's the old one. Slip the cover back on and Bob's your uncle. Should be fairly easy. I couldn't find anything online on how to do it, so quick and dirty video. Hopefully it helps someone.